Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another hair review. You guys, I'm not going to be reviewing a wig today, but I'm going to be reviewing a hair extension, or should I say an hair extension? Okay, a hair extension, and this one is from YGWIGS. You guys, YGWIGS, they sent me their human hair extension coupled with other things for me to get my hair braided. You guys, I have never ever installed, or should I say braided my hair before as a video, so this will be my first one. I'm so excited to be showing you guys every single thing that they sent me, and I know you all are going to love the end results. Like, I know you all are going to love it. So this is the human hair extension that they sent to me, and they actually sent 3 packs. You guys, they sent 3 packs of this hair extension. So this is what I am going to add to my braiding hair. This would not tangle at all because this is a human hair extension. This is the human hair extension I'm going to be using to add to my braid. You guys, if you want your braids to last long, especially if you are doing this goddess braid, you need to get this type of human hair extension. You need to just get it because this is the only way your braid, like your like the extension you add to your attachments, this is the only way it is going to last long. They also sent 2 braiding attachments to get my hair braided. This is from Expression, by the way, and they sent me 2 packs. I'm going to go for a short braid look, just like my wig, just very short. I want it to be very short. So sent me this shine and jam gel to, you know, to braid the hair, because this is very important. You need this gel for braiding your hair. And they also sent me other goodies: a wig cap, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, 2 hair clips. I'm not really sure what this is though, but this also came with a wig, and YGWIGS.com, just their label. So guys, I'm so excited to be braiding my hair. I've never ever done this style before, and I'm going to love it because of the human hair extension. So without wasting any time, let us dive into the video. So it was time for me to braid the hair, and my hair was parted into 2 parts. And you guys, this braiding process is very easy. If you want to do this style, you don't need to be scared at all. Trust me, you can do this, okay? So we use the shine and jam gel. This would really help you to get like a clean part and to help the hair to stay in place, okay? So that's just it. You can see the way my hairdresser was braiding the hair. She first of all braided my hair a little bit, and then she started adding the synthetic hair, which is the attachment. I gave her like 4 of the attachment, like 4 little bits of the attachment, as you guys would see. And that's it. That's just it. It's very easy. This is like how knotless braid, how they make knotless braid. So you first of all start with attachment, and then I started to give her the human hair. So to add the human hair, it's very easy. Just add the human hair and then take the human hair out so that it doesn't mix with the synthetic hair. It doesn't mix with the attachment, okay? And I gave her another piece, and she did the same thing, and it was just so easy. Just take the human hair out and then braid the rest part of the hair, and you have got yourself a beautiful hair. It's so easy to do, and I was going for a short look. So you guys, just look at it. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch the remaining parts of the video. Finally, we started braiding the front part of the hair, and we did the same thing with the attachment. I gave her like 4 to 5 pieces of the attachment, and then I started to give her the human hair. For the back, I gave her only 2 pieces of human hair, but for the front, because I want the front to be very full, so I gave her like 3 to 4 pieces of the human hair. You guys would see. So I've given her the first piece, and then she's adding the second piece of human hair. Yes, you guys can see that she has taken it out again, and I'm going to give her the third piece now, because I really want the hair to be very, very full. That was why I gave her like 3 pieces of the human hair, and sometimes I even give her 4 pieces of the human hair because I wanted the front to be full. Okay. So guys, we just decided to take a little bit of break because we have been braiding for almost an hour 30 minutes, but this is how far we have come. It is just remaining this part of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see, and this is the braids. We're still going to curl the tips, but this is how it is looking. I don't want it to be too long because I'm going for a short look. So you can see that the braid ended here. You guys can see. So I'm going to curl this part. This is the second pack of the synthetic hair that I am using. I've used only one, so it is remaining 2, and I feel like it would be enough for my hair. Guys, I still have 2 packs of human hair. I have not even opened any one. I am still using 1 pack, and the hair is very, very full. You guys, we are done with the hair. This is the last braid I'm doing, and this is the last 2 pieces of human hair from 1 pack. I only used 1 pack for my braids, just 1 pack of human hair, and that's it, guys. If I were to be going for a longer look, I would have used maybe 2 packs of human hair, but because I was going for a shorter look, I only used 1 pack. So right here, we were just, coiling the tip of the attachment of the synthetic hair. We coiled the tip, and then we added hot water just so that we can get perfect coils. You guys can see everything is coiled up, and I added some hot water to it just so that the tips can be coiled and it will match with the human hair. So you guys, this is the finished look of the hair. This is how your girl is looking. I love it so much. You guys, the texture of this hair is bomb. Like, this hair is so soft because of the human hair. And I only used one pack. You guys, they actually sent me 3 packs like I have been saying in this video, and I only used one pack. You guys, you can see that 2 is still remaining. I only use 1 pack for my hair, 1 pack of human hair for my hair, and then I use both of the attachments. This is the remaining attachments. You guys, you can see this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. I really love the texture of the hair. The hair is so soft because of the human hair. You guys, go and buy this hair. YGWIGS, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful hair. Thank you so much. And you guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.